If you're setting up a Variogate 30, here's exactly how to put it together the right way. Begin by assembling all parts according to the instructions. Lay out all components and ensure you have the provided bolts and nuts. Insert all bolts into their designated positions, but do not tighten them yet. Place the bearings carefully on the fence or cage. Then, tighten the two smaller bolts first to hold the bearings in place. And, just a quick note here, do not position the bearings too close to the support. Leave a small gap to allow free movement and proper function. At this stage, bolts should be snug, but not fully tightened. Once the bearings are properly positioned, you can proceed to fully tighten the bolts. Open and close the mechanism several times to ensure smooth and balanced movement. The bearing supports should appear parallel and evenly aligned on both sides. Once everything is properly aligned and operating smoothly, tighten all bolts securely.